Hey chefs, welcome back. Welcome back to Auntie Nina's kitchen. Guess what's for dinner tonight? I'm giving you 5 seconds. Just last. I'm doing some yellowtail snapper. We're gonna be frying them. We're gonna make our own escovitch sauce, and I'm gonna be doing some garlic bammy sticks. So guys, I cut my onions like 2 different ways. I cut some in ring, cut the carrots in 2 different or 3 different styles, you know, just look it a little fancy. I cut ring, I cut julienne some of the carrots, and then I put a little, a little style in the carrot, a little slant style as well. And I did some scotch bonnet pepper. I did all colors. I did some green, some yellow, and some red. We have a little bit of pimento seed, a little bit of sugar, and some vinegar. We have our coconut milk. Where's my garlic powder? And we have salt and pepper. As you know, I only use salt and pepper to season my fish. So I'm gonna go ahead. First thing I'm gonna do is to put my vinegar on to make my escovitch sauce. So follow me, guys. Okay, chefs, I'm putting my vinegar. I'm using 1.5 cups of vinegar. I'm putting the vinegar to boil. I'm adding some brown sugar. This is a tablespoon of brown sugar. So I'm gonna have this come to a complete boil, and then I'm gonna walk you through it. As you can see, I did already wash my fish. I brushed the inside right here. Sometimes come with a line of blood. That's what makes the fish extremely raw. So you make sure you use a toothbrush and brush it out properly. Make sure you wash your fish with a lot of lemon, lime, or vinegar. Anything of your choice. Okay, chefs, while I'm waiting for my vinegar to boil, I'm gonna go ahead and season my fish. I put 2 slices on some of them. I put 1 on some. It doesn't matter. It depends on your lightning of that, because it takes it has more flavor when you put more slices on the sides. So when they're a little bit bigger than normal, I do double slices, or I do double slice on one side like I did this one. I make sure all my season go in through the little slices, guys. And this is a salt and black pepper. Make sure I coat the whole fish with the salt and the black pepper. So my vinegar has come to a boil. I'm adding my pimento seeds. I'm going to turn the fire off before I add anything else. So I'm turning the fire off. And then I'm adding my onions, pepper, and everything. When you turn the fire off and you add your stuff, you just cover as soon as you put everything together. You just cover it. When you do this way, your escovitch sauce stays fresh longer. It's more crunchy and it has more flavor. But when you boil it, everything tends to get too soft. So I'm just doing it like this, and then I'm gonna cover, and then when I'm ready to plate my fish, guys, you will see exactly what I'm telling you. You need to boil the onion and the carrot. Just put them in the water, in the vinegar, and cover. Okay, guys? Okay, chef, so I'm about to prepare my bammy before I start frying my fish. So I'm using coconut milk. I'm gonna use 1 can of coconut milk, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of water to it, and I'm gonna add some garlic powder. I'm slicing my bammy. As you can see, guys, I'm slicing it in sticks. So this is like, we call it bammy sticks. Some people call it bammy chips. So after I finish cutting it up, I'm gonna put it in the coconut milk to soak for a little bit, and then I'm gonna deep fry. So wait on it, guys, it's gonna be delicious. Okay, chef, so this is my coconut milk, and I add a little bit of garlic powder. I'm gonna go ahead and put my bammy sticks in to soak for a few, and then I'm gonna take it from this, and then I'm gonna deep fry it. So guys, as I said before, this is a new way. You could try it. Okay, chef, so I took the fish outside. My daughter doesn't like when I fry inside the house, so I'm frying the fish on the grill. First, I put a pepper to flavor the oil. Sometimes I put garlic, but right now I put a whole pepper, but I cut it in two, just to wait until I'm using it to flavor the oil. When it's burned enough, then I know that the oil is ready for my fish. Oil is ready, guys, so I'm gonna put in my fish. Okay, chef, who say you can't catch fire foreign? My fire. Look at my fish, it's bubbling now. I had to add some more fire to the flame. So this is how it's looking. I'm putting my bammy in some oil, guys. The bammy is being deep fried. I'm trying not to burn up myself, because I have two pots going, one outside, one inside. So this is the bammy sticks frying. I'll show you the finished product. I soak it for about 5 minutes in the coconut milk and garlic powder. So I'm having them fried now, guys. So I'm going back outside where the fish is frying. I'm taking out my bammy sticks. They are looking lumptious. This is the finished product. It's looking beautiful, isn't it? Hey guys, I was watching over my video and I realized the outro did not have any sound. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Thank you for all the love, and remember to like, subscribe, and share. Tell a friend, and I'll see you guys in another video.